In this section, we'll look how to use multiple open documents. Now, I've actually opened 4 Microsoft Word documents, and if I want to, I can easily switch from one to the other. If I click on the View tab here, and then go to where it says Switch Windows, I can click here and decide which one I want to look at. So at the moment, I'm looking at using Find and Replace. If I click on this one here, I can switch to that one here. If I go to here, I can switch to maybe that one. Switch again, maybe to that one. So that's how you switch from one open Word document to another. There is an easier way. If you press the Alt key down, hold it down, and then press the Tab key once, that brings up the open windows. Now, normally you wouldn't see these. This is just because I'm using a screen recording software. But if I press Tab a few times, so I'm holding down the Alt key while I'm doing this. Let's say I want to go to the balloon one. I'd release the key, and we go to that. Let's press the Alt key down, hold it down, press the Tab key again, and I'll press the Tab key a few times. So let's say I want to go to this document here. At this point, if I release the Alt key, I jump to that particular document. So that's how you can switch from one document to another. If you want to, there are other things you can do. So for instance, you could click on where it says Arrange All. So this is under the View tab, and within the Windows section here, if you click on Arrange All, that will display all the open Microsoft Word documents. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different documents open. If I wanted to concentrate, say, on this one, I could just double click on that, and that one would come up and I could see that. So if we go back here and if we go to Arrange All again, the way I brought one up to the focus was I went up to the title here, or maybe here, maybe I want to look at this one. If I double click on this title bar, that brings that one up like so.